So, Bill Gates made the news recently because he said that he thinks that AI is the most important technology since the Industrial Revolution and that it will create a massive productivity boom. And a lot of people are worried about their jobs in this new AI world. And I would argue that one of the challenges for people like you, I'm assuming that like me, you're, a regular person that has a job, that how do you make AI work for you so that you're not getting replaced by AI? And that's where the need for personal AI productivity comes in. Because what I'm seeing is that a lot of the biggest companies are creating and using AI models that help them make more money or leverage their data sets or whatever. But that doesn't really have anything to do with you, right? That has to do with the company. And so what you're looking at here is this Eazl interface, and you don't have to use the Eazl app for this, but I'm going to show you how you can be more productive by using basically long prompts. And I'll take a little short diversion here. What is a long prompt? Basically, a really big prompt. Like I'll show you what I'm talking about here. Like for example, um, in these prompts here that I'm clicking on, like these are big prompts, that have lots of text to them. And the cool thing is that research has shown recently that if you have a long prompt like what I'm showing you here, that your long prompt can make a general model like ChatGPT or Bard or Claude perform as well for you as a custom trained model that like a company might build, unless they have proprietary data and it's really specialized. So I'm going to basically demo this for you. So like what you're looking at here in this long prompt, and this is how you can be more productive, is like you can have these notes that basically give the AI the context that it needs to do work for you. And so like I'll just walk you through this briefly. Like here's a note that talks about the educational content that Eazl offers related to prompt engineering, and then who the audience is, our branding guidelines, what the app does, a little bit about who our customer is, the problem that our customers have, and then you get to the prompt part. So like I'm going to show you, kind of an A/B test, two examples. So if I basically just like go up and just copy this information, and you can do this for free. Like if you want to use the Eazl app to do this, you can do this. You get 10 free prompts. You can manage your notes as much as you want. Anyway, and then you can copy it and just go into a free AI model like ChatGPT. And so I'm going to actually show you what this one is. So this one, I basically just went in and asked this question, hey, help me create this one pager. So like for you, you might be thinking like maybe this is a sales material or an email, or you're grading something, or you're giving somebody feedback, or you're creating a newsletter or anything like that that is, related to your work. So if you go into ChatGPT and just do these little short prompts, you get this, it tries its best, but like for example, guest, intention, context, optimization. No, that's not what ICO means. It doesn't know our customer. It gives us these like tips. And then if you go here and you look at the long prompt, which you see, it's like it's a really long prompt. Like look at all that stuff. But it didn't. I just had to enter this information once, and then I reuse these notes a lot, so that basically immediately as I get to my real question, which is like all the way down here, there. So here's my original question right there. It's the same question I did in the other example I just showed you. Then I'm going to get this customized output that, talks about, it has my like style, it has the name of my company, it knows what the ICO framework is. It's going to talk about the problems that my customers have already. It's going to give examples that are related to the people who use apps, the Eazl app. And it's going to basically just right away create me this one pager that I didn't even have to. Could do this in like 20 seconds, And so anyway, I'm just basically suggesting that you want this AI revolution to benefit you, not necessarily just companies. And so the way that you're going to get that result is by getting comfortable with these longer prompts and finding some place to store information like this and then use them in your prompts. So I have stored this information, for example, Before I built the Easel app, I was doing it in Google Keep. I've seen people do it in their Apple Notes app, or any note-taking app. I think some people do it in like Notion, but you want to be keep notes somewhere so that you can basically just like drop these notes into the AI model, into the prompt space in a place like ChatGPT, and give the AI model what it needs to personalize the output for you, so that basically you can be more professionally productive, so that you can get the benefits of AI, not just the companies. You know what I'm saying?